Sacs
Techno Rib was established in 2021. It embodies different brands united by the fact that each of them benefits from a distinctive character, and well-defined DNA Strider is the most iconic Maxi Rib line. Rebel is a boat with a unique character. Pirelli speedboats and Pirelli tenders are two distinct product lines that share a sporty appeal. Design is a distinctive value for our brand, and it is a value that cuts across all our product lines and boats. Strider is a very broad range, with the most iconic core models being the 11, 13 and 15. The Rebel line, on the other hand, consists of 4 models: the 40, the 47, the 50 in the G version and the 55, the flagship of the range. I've been collaborating with Sacs Techno Rib for many years, and together we have developed and designed countless models. Design has certainly played a key role in Sacs' success. It's a cornerstone for us. We have invested heavily in style innovation, but above all in giving our products a strong identity. Beyond design, even the smallest detail is meticulously crafted. For me, detail is an integral part of the boat style. Strider can be defined as the icon of the Maxi Rib, an unmistakable boat known for its muscular, instantly recognizable style, which features organic lines. The Strider range tells a story of speed, adventure and power. It is best represented by its most significant models, the Strider 11, Strider 13 and Strider 15, highly successful boats. Rebel is an extremely innovative product range. I would describe it as a powerful, bold and fearless boat. Its style is a clear expression of that strength. Rebel is a highly successful line. It was born as an open and later evolved into the G version, a closed model. What defines us is our desire to explore, our curiosity, and the constant drive to pursue innovation by always seeking new paths. We wanted to create a project, a work of art, that could both celebrate our design legacy and offer a glimpse into the future, anticipating a new concept. Margarente is a project that truly excited and entertained us. But it wasn't an end in itself. It was an exercise that allowed us to work as a team and focus on a concept, on well-defined lines that will serve as a foundation for our future projects. Margarente, a work of art made of marble, a work of design that I found extremely amusing. It represents a vision of the future, even though marble is a material that evokes the classical. Through marble, we wanted to create a new narrative. It is Sacs' vision of the future. The work is characterized by extremely stretched forms. From there, the idea of Margarente, an echoing sea that makes this roaring noise and gives the sense of speed. Hence, the marble, in its static nature, picks up speed. The choice of marble as a material was a bold one. It is, by nature, a very static material, yet we managed to make it dynamic through this scratching effect, this highly futuristic interpretation. This was made possible thanks to the contribution of artisans and finishers who, together and through many hours of work, brought to life an extremely complex piece. Finally, I chose to embed, albeit subtly, stylistic concepts that will later be fully expressed in the new Sacs models to be released in the coming years.